So from the idea of monoculture, like planting napier only, from the idea of thinking about the animals only, but you also gain the idea of thinking about people, because you said you planted food like the papaya.
Yes.
You included fruit trees. You also got to know that these plants can't survive alone.
Yes.
But they need neighbors, they need their company.
Yes.
I'm very proud to hear that. So outer farmers, yeah, this is so impressive.
Really nice. I'm seeing the system resurrecting.
Yeah, you
Yeah.
The system resurrecting is like a ball bouncing. When it bounces, it comes with an.
Yeah, true.
You know, sometimes it's funny that I came to realize that plants also need companion.
Yeah, they need companions.
They need to interact with each other. But before, I didn't know that. Because I can attest to this. Because I remember I was just doing this type of farming. I planted my bananas way then before the agroforest regenerative
Agroforestry.
Yeah. I planted my bananas. I harvested once. I've told you earlier, I live in a dry land where it's very hot. During the month of October, all my bananas got scorched as if somebody set ablaze on the field. But after learning the regenerative agroforestry and apply the principles, these bananas which I planted, they thrived during that time. They were very healthy. That's the reason why I'm telling that these bananas are human beings. When you're lonely, you're not happy. You know, you need somebody to chat with, to share with. I believe also these crops need their friends, I can say so, their companion, to be happy, to excite each other down there in the soil.
Okay, so in one garden, you're caring about nature, you're also caring about yourself.
Yes.
You're getting your food, you're getting feeds for the animals, and at the same time minding about nature.
Yes.
Wow, that's very nice.
I couldn't even believe myself harvesting, I should say in terms of volume, my cassava. It was like 2.5 bags of cassava. I harvested on how many lines? There are 3 tree lines of 1 meter by 15. I harvested 2.5 bags of cassava.
Wow.
I shared with my boys there, and currently we are eating bananas and pawpaw. I harvested, that was close, if I'm not mistaken, it should be I harvested 15 kgs of red kidney beans. We ate maize. You can see on a small piece of land,
you're making a lot.
Yes, we're making a lot.
You use what you have.
Yes.
You use what you get.
I haven't yet started selling because I'm still practicing and see how things go at the end be like. But for sure, now I'm planning to open up a commercial agroforest garden.
Be good.
But when you already secured food.
Yes.
Food for yourself and for the animals.
Yes.
And for the land. And for the land.
And the other thing which I noted, now I can harvest my napier. After seeing the progress of this 15 by 30 acre land, I said now I can go back to my an acre of napier.
Alone.
For napier alone, you're going back.
Alone, I said, okay.
You are going
then
back.
I need to follow the principles. This time it's going to work because I trusted myself. The first and important thing which one should have when doing things is good to trust yourself, trust your instinct.
Yeah, true.
Because by the time when I was planting this small garden, my boy said, we don't plant like this, Mom. This is not going to work. I said, wait. I went to school.
You wait for the results.
I did everything. So, okay, they were laughing at me when I was first planting the 15 and 30 acre garden. They were laughing at me, Mom, this is not going to work. But after seeing everything, after eating the cassava, the papaya, now they say, when you go back to our village, we are going to practice this type of farming. Because basically I told them that this type of farming is not only that you can plant napier. On a tree land you can use whatever fruits you want. In the middle you can plant, because in my country we love nsima. You can plant maize, or you can plant your sorghum, you can plant your cassava, you can plant beans. And now they say, when we go back, we'll be doing this type of farming. Seeing it's really good. Because the harvest, it's like more or less continuous. Because you eat this today, tomorrow you're getting that, the other day you're having that.
So you're having food saturated
The
at home.
system is like your
Yes.
supermarket.
It's a
When I go there, I
supermarket.
get something to
Yeah.
pick out.
Yeah, but now you can see I'm eating banana, I'm eating papaya. Now I'm still eating, I planted some aubergine, I'm eating them. Aubergine.
I was going to ask that question. Like, what is a vagina
Eggplants, is it? Eggplants?
Oh,
Yeah, that's all. Eggplants, that's
So in
aubergine.
Malawi, eggplant is called your vagina.
No, we can call it, they are known by the name of eggplants. Also aubergine. Aubergine, it's their name. It's not a Chichewa name.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Thank you.
Ma'am Aida, basing on the story that you've told us, what are the challenges that you've faced in this system?
Basically, I can say the first challenge which I encounter were human beings. I can say so. Because when I was launching my project, they didn't believe that it's going to work, but I believed in myself. The second thing was when I was beginning this regenerative agroforestry garden, I didn't have enough resources, so I bought some of the planting materials myself. Yeah. Those are the two main challenges which I faced. The others were not all that, because I believe that in agroforest type of farming, when you put your things together, like you know which is feeding your plant, which is protecting your plant, you're just there. Because you won't use any money to buy pesticides, neither fertilizer. That's the good thing with regenerative agroforestry.
So far you only have this problem of people not believing.
Yes.
Oh.
They doubt.
They doubted because
Always it is hard for people
Yeah,
to believe,
to
but
believe.
if you start doing,
Yeah.
they start seeing,
Seeing.
and they
I know
They
right now
start
there are
believe.
some who are starting to believe.
yeah, they start to trust you when they are joining you to eat the fruits of the labor. Because you enjoy the food together. Yeah, that's how this.
so they start wondering how you do it.
Yeah, even now, people around the neighboring village, they still question and they're eager to join this type of farming. But they're not yet there, but I'll try as much as possible to invite them and still talk to them. All this regenerative agroforestry is like a lot of land in my area which I'm living is degraded. So we need to revive the soil. Because if you want to have good food, good fruits, it should start with the soil. And this regenerative agroforestry, we use the local available materials, the materials within our locality to produce food. Also, for someone who is being challenged with money, can be able to produce food using this system.
So far, how are you planning to overcome that problem of people, your neighbors?
It's okay. That's not something you must stress yourself
Because
about.
You can be there and your neighbor is like, this woman is crazy.
Yeah, I'll be providing currently free trainings. I'll be inviting them to my farm.
Yeah.
They should attest themselves. Then by and by, after offering them trainings, I believe we'll be on the same page.
Wow,
Yeah,
mommy, that's a very
nice.
good idea.
That's nice.
It's a
Sharing
very
knowledge.
good
Yeah.
idea. Now, see, our mother she's an agroforester, so proud and so passionate of agroforestry. And mommy, you've done agroforestry for how long?
20.
Count.
Yeah. Almost, I can say 1.5 years.
1.5 years. It's not that short. It's a bit a long period of time.
Yeah.
And so she's having only one problem she's encountering, and it's a minor problem even. It's just a minor challenge. So agroforestry is really a good system.
As we have heard a story from Mama Aida, it's so amazing and interesting, her journey, how he started the regenerative agroforestry. In regenerative, she has shown us that it's rebuilding the land. Once the infertile soils, she's trying to rebuild them. So, Mama Aida, what kind of message do you give to people outside there who may be in the same situation as you are, of monoculture, and also those ones who are looking for a better way of farming?
I can tell people out there to come and join us to practice the regenerative agroforestry system, because as you can see in the area where I am, the soil is not fertile, and by practicing the regenerative agroforestry, it's like we are bringing back life to the soil, because we have these trees which will remain there forever, like permanent trees, meaning the photosynthesis will be there and it will provide us humidity. Our climate can be cooler, and also by producing things with the material already provided by Mother Nature, we'll be eating healthy food, healthy people, healthy animals, healthy living. And
so you're telling the farmers that regenerative agroforestry is much more better than monoculture. Reason being, if you're planting maize alone, if the disease comes in your maize, the whole garden will be down.
sure.
But for the regenerative agroforestry, if the disease for the maize come in, you still have the bananas, you still have the papaya, the beans,
Yes.
and the other foods.
Yes.
Wow, this is really amazing.
And the other very important thing, as everyone can attest about the climate change, when we are practicing this regenerative agroforestry, our carbon sequestration level lowers. Because there is a minimum cutting down of trees, because we only do the pruning, we don't cut the trees as we do with monoculture. Because you can have, I can say, the plantation of eucalyptus. When you are harvesting the eucalyptus, you have harvested all the eucalyptus.
Then you leave the land bare.
And you leave the land bare.
Yeah.
That will attract soil erosion, the oxidation of carbon from the soil, adding to the increase of carbon sequestration in the air.
Wow, thank you so much, Mommy. Thank you so much. I've really enjoyed the conversation. I've really loved the story. She's indeed our mother and inspiring us each and every day. I'm now falling in love again with the system. Because you know, agroforestry is a system whereby you plant, you can grow your food, you can grow feed for the animals, mimic the forest. Agroforestry system is more or less a natural ecosystem. It is so amazing. I urge everyone there, you should love it and try to learn how to do it. You can send your comment in our comment section. Ask any question you feel like you want. We shall be answering you, because we must all reach where we want to be. And we are here to help each other. Thank you for watching up to this end. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Agroforestry Powered Ladies Uganda. Like and share this video, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much, Mommy Aida, and thank you so much, my fellow ladies.